Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ulma Aiman binti Zainuri and I'm from the Faculty of Information Management class IM11048. And now we will be presenting about our group project, which is a PC proposal for the subject of IMD 222. Our group consists of 6 people, which is Alia Patricia binti Muhammad Asari, Izzah Maisara binti Sa'di, Nur Alia Sofia binti Abdul Karim, Nur Uzma Aiman binti Zainuri, Nur Umi Nadira binti Rosman, and Siti Aisyah binti Muhammad Ihsan.
Thank you, Uzma. First of all, I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Nurumi Nadira binti Rosman and I will explain the introductions of our PC proposal. Nawal is a new student of University Technology Mara, or also known as UITM. She needs a very good laptop to make it easier for her in performing her duties and activities. Therefore, we recommend Nawal choose a gaming laptop as her choice. This is because gaming laptops are an excellent buy not only because of their performance but also because of their portability. With strong CPU, GPU and display resolutions, these gaming laptops are also perfect for work, surfing the web, Microsoft Office and even video editing. Next, I will explain the advantage and disadvantage of a gaming laptop. Gaming laptop's main advantage is its hardware, which include a powerful CPU and graphic cards. Other non-gaming applications like video editing and even watching HD movie might benefit greatly from these two components because a fast CPU will increase the performance of any work from browsing the internet to managing documents in the office. Gaming laptops, in a word, are built to be as quick as possible. In addition, the advantage of a gaming laptop is most of gaming laptops have relatively limited battery life. Gaming laptops require powerful and demanding components, as I mentioned earlier, particularly their CPU and GPU. The powerful a component becomes, the more energy it consumes. I think that's all for me, and I will pass next to Siti Aisyah.
Thank you, Umi Nadira. My name is Siti Aisyah binti Muhammad Ihsan, and I'll be proceeding with the next point, which is computer specification. The first point under computer specification is motherboard. Motherboard is the main printed circuit board used in a computer to integrate all electrical components of the system. Motherboard that suits with Nawal's need is TUF Gaming Z490 plus Wi-Fi. It is built with Intel Z490 chipset that provides efficiency in managing the traffic flow of components. It is equipped with 4600 DDR4 RAM that increases the rate of data transfer and provide larger capacities. The capacity of 128 GB help Nawal saving multiple files and download software with big capacities. It also supports new Wi-Fi 6, which provide Nawal good internet connection for her assignments. Thank you, and I'll pass the next point to the next presenter, which is Nur Alia Sofia. Thank you.
My name is Nur Alia Sofia binti Abdul Karim. I would like to present about computer case. The computer case serves mainly to physically mount and contain all the actual components inside a computer, like the motherboard, hard drive, optical drive, fully disk drive, and else. They typically come bundled with a power supply. We suggest Nawal to buy computer case brand Cooler. Cooler Master ML240L ARGB V2AIO Cooler and Case Cooler Master TD500 mesh include RGB fan to have a good quality of the computer. Computer case brand cooler has a space to allot airflow and is easy to remove and install. Cooler Master latest attempt at producing a cost-effective all-in-one liquid cooler, a revival of the ML240L series with a updated 13th generation pump designed for improved flow and lower noise output, as well as new SycleFlow 120 mm RGB fans provide high static pressure. The price was not too cheap and not too expensive. It was affordable to buy. These two types of computer case have some benefit, which was easy to remove and install, has sound perform, space to allot airflow. The next is hardware. For the processor, a digital circuit that perform operation on some external data source, usually memory or some other data stream. A processor, also defined as a microprocessor, is a small chip used in computer and other electronic devices. Its primary function is to accept feedback and provide sufficient output. To play on a computer in a comfortable way, we use a very high quality hardware to make a better experience. Intel current Intel i5 12600K we choose is a good CPU for gaming and editor that now are willing to have, and it play a vital role with a good quality of product. The core Intel i5 12600K offer excellent gaming and to editor result while still holding its own in single core workloads. The model of the process was it is the best value gaming CPU available, offering a similar level of performance to the i9, while also boosting features such as DDR5 and PCIe 5.0. This is one of Intel's faster processor to date, with a boost frequency that goes all the way up to 3.6 GHz. For the system memory, the system memory is where the device stores currently running programs and records. There are different types of computer memory such as ROM, RAM, cache, flash, and graphic memory, each with its own set of goals for device service. This segment discusses the function of machine memory and the technology that supports it. System memory that we choose is Trident Z. It performs extremely well compared to similarly priced RAM. Not two RAM kits are the same, since you could usually compare two 3200 MHz RAM kit from different vendors, but that latter's rating could differ. With clock speed match-up, one kit may be faster than the other. 3200 MHz memory with the common timing of 16-18-18 should be considered the best link for a budget system. For the next is graphic card. A graphic card is a piece of computer hardware that generates the image shown on your monitor. The graphic card oversees displaying an image on your monitor by translating data into a signal that your monitor can interpret. The stronger and cleaner an image can be made, the better your graphic card. This is obviously important for games and a video editor. Graphic card that we think were suitable for our computer program was GeForce RTX. The NVIDIA GeForce we choose may not be the speeder or most or best GPU out there, but it provides excellent performance at a reasonable price. According to benchmark figured by video card, the GDR6 NVIDIA GeForce display a performance boost between 5% and 8% from multiple synthetic tests. It also displays a very boost in gaming performance, ranging between 2% and 100% depending on the chip. which average out to about 6%. For last but not least is hard disk. A switch tape drive SSD is a type of solid-state storage system that uses integrated circuit ability to store data presently usually utilizing flash memory and serving as secondary storage in the computer storage. SSDs like the actual rotating disks and movable read right hand used in hard disk drive, and fully disks are often referred to as a solid state computer or a solid state disk. This hard disk that we use is Western Digital Black brand, which was the best brand so far and suitable for gaming and editor. WD has not officially designated WD Black as is a gaming storage product that is the top of the line for its product. The large has a capacity from 125 GB on a 2.5-inch drive. The 2 TB drive has a 140 MB per second transfer time, and whereas 4 TB and 5 TB version have 130 MB per second. The price was affordable for the beginner who plan to use computer that not too fancy. That's all for me. Thank you. I will pass for the next slide to Siti Aisyah.
Thank you, Noalia Sofia. Now, I'll be proceeding with the next point, which is software. There are 3 types of software. Firstly, utility software, programming software, and lastly, authority software. First software is utility software. Microsoft 365 software would be such a big favor as it provides multiple types of software such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Access. Subscription for Microsoft 365 Personal is RM269. Microsoft Editor can help correcting spelling and advanced grammar to refine her work. It is also user-friendly. Next is programming software. JavaScript is the best programming software to be used by Nawal. JavaScript does not require outside resources and it promotes high-speed performance. She can also improve and make rich interfaces by creating features such as drag, drop, or sliders. That's all from me, and I'll pass the next point to the next presenter, which is Alia Batrisha.
My name is Alia Batrisha binti Muhammad Asari. Next is authority software. In iMovie main usage is to create great and high quality of videos. iMovie provides variety features such as transitions to enhance video making process. It also can help in correcting flaws in videos such as shaky videos and enhanced color set. Next is Google Web Designer. Google Web Designer, also web HTML designing using graphics, video sketching, animation, or anything related it to produce on efficient and eye-catching websites. Next is Adobe Director. Now can create not only applications but also 2D and 3D video games. It will require plenty of space to use, but this app supports various types of images, sounds, videos formats, which easy for Nawal to save her work in any format that she prefers. Next is Input. Input device that's suitable for Nawal was the Razer Basilisk V3 mouse, which the sensor was quite excellent. Razer Focus DPI was up to 20,000 native, which is 26,000 via software. 650 IPS is more than able to keep up with the most intense mouse swipes and able to cover 54 feet in 1 second. The interface that is used is a USB Type-A cable, and with the ergonomic design, it is intended to reduce wrist strain by allowing to rest hand and wrist on the desk, avoiding pronation that can compress nerves in your forearm and wrist. It was really suitable for Nawal, who is also a student, to use mouse that can support her hand without stressing her body. For the output, we chose Creative Pebble Plus for the model audio because the specification that simple, which the weight is 5.45 lbs and the size is 4.5 divide 4.8 divide 4.5 inch satellites, and the drivers about 4-inch subwoofer, 2-inch tweeters supported. The connectivity not too long and not too short, which is 3.5mm only. It's affordable to buy because the price is 270 ringgit with excellent clarity. For the next presenter, I will pass it to Isa.
My name is Iza Maisara binti Saidi, and on this slide I'm going to present about pricing considerations of a gaming laptop. This is the computer specification that Nawal used for his laptop, and the first one is the motherboard, and the price for motherboard is 999 ringgit. Next, he used computer case, which is Cooler Master ML 240L ARGB V2 AIO cooler, and the price is 439 ringgit. He also used case Cooler Master TD500 mesh, and the price is 379 ringgit. He also used hardware for his computer, which is processor, and the price for processor is 1499 ringgit. Next, he also used system memory, and the price is 599 ringgit. Other than that, he also used graphic card, and the price for graphic card is 2399 ringgit. Last but not least, he also used hard disk, and the price for hard disk is 399 ringgit. Other than hardware, he also used software for his computer, and he using utility software using Microsoft 365, and the price is 269 ringgit per year. Next, he used programming software, and the price is 1299 ringgit. And last, he used authority software, which is the price is 1245 ringgit. For input device, he used mouse, and the price for mouse is RM300. Lastly, for output device, he used model audio, and the price for model audio is 270 ringgit. Overall total that Nawal used for his computer is RM10,043 ringgit. I'm going to pass the next slide to Nur Uzma Aiman.
The last one is the conclusion of the project. For conclusion, gaming laptop is the best solution to fulfill the need for Nawal to perform her duties and activities as the students. Gaming laptop was provided with hardware such as processor, system memory, graphic card, and hard disk, which help to improve the high-speed performance and also provide a large storage capacity. The utility software such as Microsoft, JavaScript, Adobe Director, and iMovie help Nawal to complete the tasks and assignments besides being able to create rich interface and videos. In terms of output device, it is served with model audio to help in providing a good sound system for watching videos and movies. That is all from us, and thank you so much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.